You see this beautiful trophy? Alright. The winner for the best air ride goes to English Richards with a 2002 Nissan Altima. Alright. Alright.
Can we get a picture?
Alright, next category. We have the best engine bay goes to.
Best polish bay?
Who do you think with? Who do you think with?
Where is it?
Who?
Best polish bay.
Best polish bay.
Oh, sorry, best polish bay. My apologies. Best polish bay. See, the person didn't write polish. It's alright. Best polish bay. That is what is written on the trophy. Mr. Denver Smith with a 1989 Toyota Supra. Give a round of applause. Yes. Congratulations. Alright, next category. We have the best Frankenstein engine swap. Best Frankenstein engine swap. Best engine Frankenstein swap goes to Sylvia Leal or Insulina Racing with the 95 red S240
You gotta back up
right
more,
here.
you know. What?
Alright.
I know.
Congratulations. Alright, big up yourself, Lexus. We know you're kinda late all the time, but big up yourself. Alright. The best European vehicle. Best European vehicle goes to. And you kinda have a horrible handwriting, whoever wrote this. So if I said the name wrong, then I apologize, but the handwriting. Desmond Rosin. Russian, yes sir. Alright, Desmond Russian. Rosen. Oh shit, Rosen. Best European. Congratulations.
If you love me, please let me know. If you don't love me, let me go. Man, if you love me, please let.
Alright. Next category. The best color category. The winner. Listen, I am going. You know what? Let me look at the trophies. Alright. I'm gonna look at the trophies. Best pin. My apologies. Best pin. Blame the person who write the things on here. The judges. Yeah. You walk in. Yeah. See, you're guilty. Alright. Best pin. The winner of the best pin category goes to Raj Budram. Raj Budram. Congratulations. Best pin. Raj, where you at? Oh, okay. Alright. There's you. Raj. Alright. Congratulations. Hey, turn on. So you see the pictures here. See the camera. The camera lady turn to you now. Alright, there you go. Alright.
1, 2, 3.
Best static. The winner of the best static category goes to Christopher Clark. Christopher Clark with a 96 Honda Civic. Chris, where you at? Oh, you're right here. Oh, okay. Hey. No, see, he's in the blind spot, so I couldn't see him. Alright, take a picture. Congratulations.